Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Bros channel. Today we're diving into something seriously next level, PixVerse. If you're into AI video creation, this might be the most advanced tool out there. It's not just quick, it's the fastest. Packed with features, it makes most other AI video tools seem outdated. Remember when we talked about PixVerse version 3.5 last month? Well, version 4 is already here and the upgrades are game-changing. I spent all night digging into every update so I can break it down for you fast. So what makes PixVerse such a big deal? AI video tools have been improving fast, but many still have major flaws. Some are too slow, others struggle with details, and many feel stiff and robotic. PixVerse version 4 fixes all of that. Compared to competitors like Kling, Sora, and even Google Veo 2, PixVerse is way ahead in both speed and features. It can generate a video in just 5 seconds while others take minutes. And the level of detail? Next level. Let's dive into details. Now, let's get into what makes PixVerse so powerful. First up, one-click sound synthesis. This feature is a total game changer. PixVerse automatically creates background audio and sound effects that sync with your video. No more searching for music or editing audio manually. Here's a quick example. Superman is fighting Batman and the video has sound. Need narration or voiceover for the character? The built-in speech synthesis adds pro-level voiceovers instantly.
I am Batman.
And hey, it can even sing. Take a look. Then there's AI Restyle, which lets you switch up video styles in one click. You can turn clips into felt art, pixel animations, Japanese prints, and tons of other styles. No manual editing, no complex software, just instant artistic transformations. One of the biggest upgrades in V4 is realism. Characters now have more natural expressions, smoother movements, and better lighting and physics. Other AI tools like Kling, Sora, and Google Veo 2 often struggle with this, making animations look stiff or unnatural. PixVerse version 4 gets it right. And let's talk about speed. This is where PixVerse completely dominates. Other tools take minutes, sometimes longer, to generate a high-quality AI video. PixVerse does it in seconds. If you're creating content for social media, marketing, or just for fun, this insane speed is a game changer. But here's the best part. It's not just faster, it's also way more affordable. Unlike competitors that charge insane prices, PixVerse gives you high-end AI video generation at a fraction of the cost. You're getting top-tier results without burning a hole in your wallet. Now on to the pros. First, the speed 5-second AI video generation is unheard of. Second, the quality, these aren't rough AI clips. They look polished and professional. Third, built-in sound and speech, no need to add audio separately, like with other AI tools. Fourth, AI Restyle easily switch between different art styles with one click. And finally, it's super easy to use, even if you're new to AI video creation. The only catch? It's not free if you need extra credits, but they do offer a free basic plan with 60 daily credits that renew every day, so you can test it out without spending a dime. They also have this new cool magic brush feature where you can set the direction where objects are going to move. Bottom line, PixVerse version 4 is the best AI video tool right now. Faster, smoother, more creative, and way cheaper than the competition. Don't just take my word for it, go check it out. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and tech reviews. See you in the next one. And remember, love always wins in the end.
Nothing's gonna change my life for you.